Picture Deborah in your mind. You may even have a Deborah in your own life that you can think of. She's had a tough year and she's gained some weight. She's been working long hours at a desk job for the past decade. Being so busy, she hasn't been taking care of herself. She's eating fast food because it's easy and convenient. She's put on some weight and feels a little self-conscious. She doesn't feel beautiful. She feels low energy because she's been drinking these sugar-packed, caramel caffeinated drinks. She goes home to her family and she's exhausted because she's crashing from the sugar and the cornstarch-laden foods. She's too tired to make a healthy dinner for her family, so she heats up some prepackaged foods filled with preservatives. Her kids want to play, but she just wants to sit down on the couch and watch Netflix. At night, she sleeps next to her husband. And not only is she exhausted, but she doesn't feel attractive anymore. So they sleep in the same bed, but almost as if they're living separate lives. Then she wakes up, heads out to work, grabs an Egg McMuffin and a coffee on the way, and repeats the cycle all over again. Take a moment and feel what she feels. The heaviness, the emptiness, the feeling of not being good enough, the feeling of lack, the feeling of being lost, wanting something more but not knowing where to turn or what to do. She wants to change and shift into a healthy lifestyle, but she doesn't know where to start. She's browsing Facebook one day at work, and she sees this video about this delicious superfood elixir. She adds it to her cart, but then she hesitates. She questions, is it worth it? Am I worth it? She hesitates again. Then she hits order. And in that moment, everything changes. In that moment, she decides to choose health. She decides she is worth it. This is the trigger, the catalyst for change. She starts drinking Organifi every morning. She starts walking. She starts making healthier choices. She's cooking with her kids in the kitchen. She runs around with her family, and she rekindles her connection with her husband. She feels attractive again. She feels confident again. She feels beautiful in front of her husband. She has her life back. She doesn't know that there are 100 people working hard to help her change her life. She has something to say to you. See Deborah smiling in front of you. She says, "Thank you. You have changed my life."